Texas is my happy place. A lot different from what I did from the beginning of the video, but that's because talking to you now, we are in the present, but we're going to take you back in the past when we were going and really starting on our adventure into Texas. It's summer, and we have been taking on a lot of projects here at home, you know, like stuff like this. Also, I've turned into a gardener. Okay, maybe not that good of a gardener, but look, there's a little tomato. That's what we're going to have to live off of the rest of the summer. And of course, Cris has been working hard on the blog, and I've been playing a lot of music. I've been landing a lot of gigs, getting myself on the radio, but we'll talk about all that later.
Well, we are in Mikey's favorite place. We finally made it to Texas. I don't think he was going to stop until we got here. We were supposed to be taking it easy, but we got here pretty quickly. One of the cool things about our remodel, which you will see here in just a moment.
So as you know, we had just gotten back from Utah. I know we showed you a video of Austin Zoo, but before we did that, we were home for 1 week. And in that 1 week, Cris gave me a very small project to do.
We were home for 1 week in between going to Utah and going to Texas, and that involved a friend's wedding and Thanksgiving. So naturally, I wanted Mikey to renovate the entire inside of the RV before we took off. He can do it.
I can do it. According to her, I can do anything. So we are home for Thanksgiving. We took that long drive from Albuquerque all the way to Joplin before the truck broke down. We were supposed to be home last Friday evening, and because the fuel pump went out and the guy who was going to fix the truck said the part won't be until Monday, we were stuck in Joplin. So we're a little bit behind schedule. So I need to speed things up because this is all going away. We're going to open up the living space and we're going to take out that table. I say we, Cris has told me I'm going to take out that table, all that seating, this couch over here, all this is going to be gone, and we're going to replace it with a couple nice recliners and a table that we can move around. So we're behind schedule, so we're going to have to speed this up. Are you ready? Here we go. Before I get started doing a project like this, I got to have some music. Here we go. Now it's time to clean all this out of here, sweep the carpet, and put in the new furniture. Here we go. Alright, so we got everything taken out, all the seating and the couch and all that storage that was there blocking the path. We've taken it all out, got all the screws and stuff picked up off the floor. I'll sweep it up. I'll clean that up later. I'll sweep later, but right now Miss Ad's here.
Hello.
And now we are going to put together the new chairs. You ready? Let's do this.
Even with our slide shut now, there's Addie eating. You can still access the bathroom, which means when we're parked at a rest area like this, I can cook, people can run to the bathroom if they need to, and we can do all kinds of things. And it's easier to get in Miss Ad's room, she said, which is also an easier way for us to get to things that we need back there too. So anyhow, since we've been here, it's been probably about half an hour as I've been cooking and stuff. We can't find Mikey because he's in Texas, and having the time of his life. We were just about to send a search party.
Don't mess with Texas.
Oh, did you get me one?
Yeah, which one you want? Then this is going on the back of the truck. Don't mess with Texas. Then I go looking around and I get a few pamphlets, and then I go, a few pamphlets. You can tell the thing weighs about 5 pounds. And then I go up to the information center and I'm like, have you ever been to? And of course this lady smiles because she's from Texas. She's been all over it. And she tells me all these really cool places that y'all are about to see. And I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Oh, I'm in Texas. I'm so excited. If you can't tell, Texas is my happy place.
I've only got one thing that can make this better.
Bacon?
Yep. I made you sit. Wait, hey. Oh, that was Octavius's cue. He's like running.
Oh, buddy.
No.
Oh, buddy, what are you doing?
He's not supposed
You're
to
not
be.
on a leash. Sit. Sit. Good boy. High five.
All right, put him back in here.
Hey, get up here. Go. Let's see mommy. Good boy.
Bacon. BLT. Or no L's. We forgot the L's.
BMT. We're in
no.
TX. And I am HAPPY.
All right, and the dog is following the bacon.
Follow the bacon. Follow the bacon.
No.
So you saw how excited I was just to be in Texas. We were absolutely thrilled to be there. I was absolutely thrilled to be there. Y'all know it's my happy place. It's where I love to be. But then as we traveled on from the Welcome Center, we were getting ready to film some really cool things, and I get a phone call that my brother was really sick back home in Indiana. And we made it to Dallas, and I got the final phone call saying, Mike, you might need to get home because it's not looking good at all. Cris dropped me off at San Antonio, and then I flew back home. I didn't know whether I was going to say goodbye to my brother or watch him get better. Thankfully, he got better, but it kind of messed up our trip. Definitely threw everything off because you go from all this excitement to worry to I don't even know what to do, and then the weather turned. And so that's why we're kind of in a weird place right now with the videos. We're getting back on track with Texas. We're going to take you all kinds of places through there. And this is kind of what this video here is a highlight reel of what y'all are going to see here for a few weeks. So stay tuned. This is what you're getting ready to see. It's going to be awesome. And this is Texas, y'all. Yeah, that's my kid.
The little irritations of living in a confined space.
Want to make out?
No.
I heart Texas. Happy Valentine's Day, Texas. I love you. I would marry you if I weren't married to you. Oh! I slid down the tree. Oh, and before we go, remember I mentioned earlier that I was landing a lot of gigs back home and I actually got on a radio station? I'm going to share you that link below. If y'all would, go to countryblastradio.com and request either Junkyard Dog, One More Beer with Dad, or Buy Me a Drink, because those 3 songs are on the radio right now and I'd love to see a lot of airplay and a lot of attention for them because we're planning on doing some more music. If you don't follow that, you like good music, well, my mom thinks it's great. If you like what we're doing on this channel, make sure that you give a thumbs up down below on the video. Also, if you've not become a member of the Crock Posse, all you got to do is click that subscribe button down below and you'll see all kinds of new videos. You'll be part of a great big tribe of people that we call the Crock Posse. We'll be putting up cooking videos and travel videos, and who knows what else we're gonna do. I mean, here we are here, then we were in Texas, then we're back here. You never know what's gonna happen around here. Also, click the little bell next to the subscribe button called the ding-a-ling, and that'll let you know as soon as we put up a new video, and we put them up all the time. And whatever you do, laugh often,
Eat good food.
And speak life.
bye guys. If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny,